Hello everyone, so today I want to show you the process of exchanging my CO2 ceramic diffuser. This is the type of diffuser that I use. It's a stainless steel CO2 diffuser. The thing that I liked the most about this diffuser is that I can easily change the ceramic disc. As you can see, this disc has grown a little bit of green algae, so the bubbles are not coming out small. The bubbles are larger right now, but I'm going to exchange it for a new one, which I have right here. I put this disc in water for the past 24 hours. This is the one that I will be using on this diffuser. This type of diffuser was recommended by Dr. Kevin Novak in one of his videos, and I decided to try it out, and it is very good. So I just need to unscrew the disc. Well, not the disc, but this part, which is the housing for the disc. Okay, it had a little bit of pressure still. Okay, so this is the back part of the disc, which is fairly clean because it's not in contact with the light or water. So I just need to pop it out. Here you can see how dirty it got. I'm going to clean it with bleach, and we'll just sunk this in bleach for about 24 hours. And here's the new disc, which you can see is completely clean and free of algae. And the process of adding it is very simple. You just need to put it in like this, and then you need to take the other part of the diffuser and just screw the diffuser back again. So let me just clean this a little bit. Okay, so you just need to screw the diffuser housing again. I try to use as much force as I possibly can because the gas tends to escape if you don't screw it well. Escape from the sides. Okay, I think that's enough. Alright, and it is like brand new. So I will just be putting this in bleach for 24 hours, then I will clean it up, and I will replace it again in maybe 2 or 3 months. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.